Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. And many much more stylish ideas of haircut in low maintenance. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye. And very beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, step, undercut. And so beautiful collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut, and very stylish ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde. And so beautiful collection of burgundy hair dye and very stylish ideas of light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, and very stylish ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And very beautiful, cute collection of hairstyling. Mostly ideas in low maintenance, messy hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. And in today's my collection, some ideas in fine hairstyle and wavy curly hairstyling. And so beautiful overall ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, and you look very sweet. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection new ideas. Take care and bye bye.